spooky vegetables for our kids to eat on Halloween night.
Halloween roasted veggies.
So, what we did, and I'll just cut that out. Happy Halloween, everybody.
Happy Halloween.
So we are here today to make some spooky vegetables.
Love roasted vegetables.
So we took some potatoes. We did some sweet potatoes, we did some white potatoes, and we did some purple potatoes, which I don't know.
Those look scary.
Those look scary. They look a little scary. So actually, super simple. We peeled the potatoes, cut them in half, put them in some boiling water, cooked them for about 5-6 minutes, pulled them out, and then we just sliced them about, I guess, about half an inch thick.
Half an inch.
It's still hot. It's still hot.
I was like, is that supposed to be a scary half an inch?
It's like just burnt my fingers.
Sorry.
So now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna cut them into some cute little shapes.
Okay.
So let's start with the white potatoes.
Yeah, so we're gonna make little ghosts out of these.
We're gonna make
and
little
this
ghosts.
is where I'm gonna let you take charge. I'm not the creative one when it comes to.
I wonder if I just do like this.
Oh,
with
yeah.
our eyes, so then
I love it.
so I'm just gonna cut them in half, like little half moons.
Well, I could have done that.
She says now.
Yes.
And then you can use a straw. I've just got a little
Pastry tip bag.
pastry tip. Yeah. So hopefully this will go
Pastry
through.
bag tip.
Oh, it might be a little too thick.
I could do those for you, the eyes over here if you want me to. Kind of poke those out. Oh, look,
Yeah.
they do look like little ghosts.
Just
Alright.
that.
So, see? Little ghost and cute. Or a little Pac-Man.
Or a little
Or
Pac-Man.
one or the other. I like Pac-Man.
So this is nothing I would probably do,
For a crowd.
for a big crowd.
But it'd just be fun to have these as part of your Halloween themed meal. Be a little bit more fun for the kids.
Let's move on to the,
So now we're gonna do little jack-o'-lanterns with the sweet potatoes.
yes ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. So I've got like just a little
Cookie cutter.
Yeah, it's a little plunger. So you cut and then you plunge. But you can hand cut these if you want. I had this, so I thought it would be fun just to use it. Look at him.
Aww.
Okay, that's cute.
So cute. So we've got this little guy, and should I use like a little toothpick, you think, too, or a little knife to get the eyes?
Well, yeah, if you want.
Or-
I'm gonna have you cut this one out.
Or does it make a hole or no?
It just makes an impression.
Got it. So
Just
if
like
we
a little
want, all
plunger.
right, so I see. So I'm gonna cut a little triangle where the eyes indentation is.
I don't even know if you really need to do that.
Probably don't?
We could just cut them. I mean, they're round. People see what
Okay.
they are.
Perfect. Because that's a pain.
It really is.
All right.
Give me that for a second. So I'm just gonna go around this. See if you can pick me out another thin sweet potato.
Thin sweet potato. Okay.
So I think I probably cut these a little bit too thick. So
Yeah,
I would
so-
go a little bit thinner.
a little bit less than, yeah. Cause like, yeah, I'm thinking maybe more like this one. There you go.
I hope our kids appreciate this.
Yes.
Do you think our kids will appreciate this?
No. But
You have to admit, I think it's more for us parents.
I
than
think
it
it's
is
A for effort.
Yeah.
I think we'll feel good about what we did. And I love roasted veggies. I mean, honestly, like, it's fun to have some for cute factor, and then we'll just roast up the rest.
Yeah.
And, okay, those look great. Those look fabulous.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do little witches' hats out of the purple, right?
We're gonna try to do witches' hats out of
Okay.
purple. So this recipe called for to do the witches' hats out of beets, and I love beets. Do you love beets?
Love beets.
I love beets.
Love them.
My kids, not so much. So I decided to improvise, and I found these purple potatoes at Whole Foods. So
Perfect. So far we've got our little ghosts and our jack-o'-lanterns. And now, witch's hat. Look at at you.
Is that a witch's hat?
You're so good. That's not how I would have done it, but look at that. Turned out so cute.
I need a bigger face.
Huh, that's impressive.
Well, you know, I try.
That's perfect. I love it. Do it again.
I don't know if I can. I feel like.
Because I don't know how you did that before.
How did I do that?
I know. That's what you did. There you go. Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Those are gonna be so cute. And then, let's see, once we get all these, we're gonna put a little olive oil on them and a little salt and pepper, is that right?
So why don't you
So
start
I've
doing
just got
that?
a little olive oil in here, a little pastry brush, and we're just gonna brush those with a little olive oil. And what?
I'm laughing because I can't quite seem to.
Can't remember how you did
There
it?
we go.
And then we're gonna do a little salt and pepper. A little pinch pot here of salt and pepper. Okay. And then these are gonna roast at 400 degrees. Now it's saying, the recipe says for an hour. Flip them halfway through. However, these are thin enough that it's not gonna take an hour. So
No.
when we come back to you with, I think that's perfect. When we come back to you, we'll be able to let you know exactly how long these took. So look at that. That's gonna be so fun. Our ghost, our witch hat, and our jack-o'-lantern.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, we're back with our roasted veggies, our roasted potatoes, and
Our spooky.
our spooky Halloween roasted potatoes.
Exactly.
We did not need the full hour as suspected.
Right.
So we did one side, and actually we showed you the olive oil, salt and pepper on one side. We did flip it and do it on the other as well. We put it in the oven for about 20 minutes, flipped them, and put them in for another 10. So we just took a quick peek, and they're ready. So we're gonna show you our final product.
Don't be scared.
Don't be scared. Okay, so let me get this. How cute are those? There's a spatula right there behind. Or you can get one out of the drawer. So how cute are those? I mean, I think they turned out adorable. And we've roasted up the rest of the veggies as well. And so we just diced the rest of them. But I think these are super fun, and these could be fun just to serve and then have the rest if you're feeding a crowd.
Come on, these are adorable.
They're so cute.
But once again, you gotta really love your kids to do this.
Right, right. And, I don't think I'd probably do it for them. I would do it if I had some girlfriends coming over for lunch.
Absolutely.
That is when I would do it.
Absolutely.
Halloween themed. We've got all the makings for a really fun little Halloween themed luncheon. We've got tons of great ideas, but I just think they turned out adorable and super easy and
They
fun.
do. Look at that.
So
Super cute.
there you have it.
Okay, so make sure you hit the big red subscribe button. Please leave us some comments, because apparently we were wrong on just the subscribe. We need some comments to unlock the magical door. I think there's 2 doors.
2 doors we're trying to get
So
through.
we're just through the first door. We need to get through the second door.
It's like a haunted house.
It is kind of like a haunted house.
Hopefully we're not going to be scared on the other side, but we would love comments. We would love feedback. Just, let us know some of the things that you've tried, what you like, and any ideas that you might have. Are they good? Yum. I love how they're kind of crispy.
So good.
So good.
All right.
Thank
Happy
you.
Halloween.
Happy Halloween.